Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2016 Porsche 911 Carrera. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going counter by counter. We're going to start with the front bumper. It looks fine. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, so the front is in good condition. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender has no scratches at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. This door is in excellent condition. I do not see any dents or scratches at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good. I do not see a dent or scratch on here, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the back of the car. The back bumper looks perfect. You see a small little scratch right there, but everything else is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition, no scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger door. This door looks fine, no scratches, no dents. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. First, we're going to start off with the driver's seat. The seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Excellent. Let's have a look at the door panel. Everything here looks perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear. Perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the top and make sure everything works. Okay, it goes down good. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.